Hi, my name is Lou and I'm with Lou's Model Boats, and I've been working on a project for my Dusseldorf fireboat, building a new superstructure to replace the one that really doesn't look very much to scale. However, I had a problem, and that's on the bottom here. I'm still working on all the pieces, but I wanted to get this nice and in position. At a certain point back here, the superstructure actually has a slight taper going back, so I want to hold it nice and straight, parallel to each other here, and then I want to hold it in another position, and I'll be able to put the internal supports in. Unfortunately, I had no real good way of clamping it other than using a lot of rubber bands and clamps and spacer bars and everything. So I've come up with this bar clamp setup, and basically the bar clamp setup is going to help me by holding the superstructure in various positions. So basically what I've done is I put two bar clamps on the same bar. This way I can adjust them to where I want them to fit, measure it out so I get it accurate, tighten the screws down, to keep the jaws from sliding, and once you get that in position, you tighten down the bar clamp, and now you can see what I want to achieve. So also what I've included in this set is if you want to put two larger surfaces up against each other, use the back side of this jaw, and then we have a sliding jaw in the middle. And lay that down on the table, we can get everything parallel. And then we put our part in here. That's tightened down. Bring our adjustable jaw in, and tighten that down to clamp your part. I figured, well, some people may not want to just lay their part down here because of some other issues, so we've got some feet that can be put on, and there's a screw there to tighten them down. Like that. You can make the bar any length you want. And again, we can use multiple jaw sets on the same bar. So if we're holding two pieces together parallel and we want to glue a third piece on top of it, we can do that.